Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to auto mute TikTok when you actually launch the TikTok app. It's very important because sometimes you launch the app, it's crazy sounds, advertisements or some crazy clips. So let me show you how you can actually mute that. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on your profile image on the lower right corner. Then you want to click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. You want to click on settings and privacy, the last option. Then you want to scroll down in the second option of the menu, which is content and display. And what you actually want to choose is playback. You click on playback and the first option will be open TikTok on mute. You want to click this one. And what will this actually do is that when you actually open TikTok, videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok app. This is good because, like I mentioned, sometimes you just launch the app and it's like crazy sounds, somebody screaming, some crazy videos are going on, and if you're in the public space, you don't want this to happen. And as we all know, you cannot simply mute your phone, because if you mute your phone, you're not going to be able to hear your calls and it will be simply on vibration. That's not something that I assume probably will work for all of us. The second option as well, I also have toggle in. Probably want to check this one as well. This is auto volume adjustment. This simply means that when the video volume, it's too loud, the app will automatically reduce the volume, so it will not, hurt your ears or headphones or whatever you're using, right? Especially when certain people are not considering to edit the volume, they simply use the actual volume of pre-record. So this is very important. Considering people using earbuds, in my opinion, this will be very, very helpful and complete game changer. So go ahead, guys, check out these settings. And if you want to opt in, go ahead and do it. For more videos like that, subscribe and come back for more.